This year, the Pride Immersive Experience is back at Fairgrounds St. Pete.
Yes, it is. The art gallery has undergone some changes out there to celebrate Pride Month, and guess who's hanging out to tell us about it? Jabari Thomas, live at the Fairgrounds in St. Pete to give us a look and a little more at the unique experience. What's up, Jabari?
A photo op over there.
Unique indeed. There's a lot happening here. You know, we were here not too long ago, but a lot of things have changed, like this lamp room, for existence. All these light bulbs change into pride colors. That's right. Fairgrounds St. Pete has turned their immersive art experience into a Pride Wonderland. So much gayness in here. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning. Welcome to Fairgrounds St. Pete. We're the immersive art and technology exhibit located in the Warehouse Arts District.
Yes, indeed. Now, this is what I'm holding in my hand right here, something you guys had to specially make for this. If you look up right now, Sasan, if you want to show them up, you guys had to create this by hand to make this possible.
We did. So these are rainbow tubes, and we developed them to work with our exhibit here for our second annual Pride event in St. Pete.
How long did it take you to do this? It seems like a lot of work.
It is an awful lot of work. It took our in-house production team about a week to assemble all 288 rainbow tubes.
Wow. And this isn't the only room people can check out as well. You guys have other rooms that you've worked on.
And so, yes, we do. We have our Fountain of Life exhibit. We have a wildlife corridor that's all been transformed to Pride. And, of course, landscape, which I know you just talked about.
Landscape. Now, how do you get all them light bulbs to change all those colors?
Magic.
A lot of hacking going on, guys. You should definitely come check them out. Check out their website. And you can also check out our website if you want more information. This is happening all month. So you have all month to come check this out. It's an added edition. And it's a really cool place to just come and chill out, bring your family, bring your friends, and just check out this awesome art immersion that they have here at Fairgrounds St. Pete. What's happening, beautiful people? Yeah, we are back here at Fairgrounds St. Pete. Check out this old TV with the bunny ears and stuff. You haven't seen that in a long time, right? You know what else you haven't seen? Their new Pride Immersive exhibit. Stick around because I'm going to take you in one of my favorite rooms right here at Fairgrounds St. Pete. See you on the other side. It is definitely Pride Month. They are showing it all over Fairgrounds St. Pete. Let's head on over here to Sarah in Landscape. Good morning. I'm going to put this up, by the way. This is specifically for our viewers at 10 Tampa Bay. If you want to take out your phone and scan this. And Sarah, tell us a little bit about what you guys done here in Landscape.
Yeah, so we're standing inside of Landscape, one of our anchor spaces here at Fairgrounds St. Pete. And one of the coolest things is that it's one of our brand new activations. Last year we only had one, but this year this is 4. So we really decided to expand, but our internal art and technology team decided to hack the coding of all 82 light bulbs here. Yeah, so now it's really cool because typically it's not this colorful, but now we have this beautiful rainbow spectrum and have this really cool infinity effect in this room.
That is so awesome. And isn't she fashionable this morning? She showed up in her Pride colors.
Yes, I'm here to represent, and I have our Pride button as well. So it's really cool that Fairgrounds gets to celebrate Pride, and we find it important to be able to celebrate and join our community to get together.
That's right. Let's bring the community together, beautiful people. It's more than just an art exhibit. You can actually upgrade your pass here, and you can do scavenger hunts. There are storylines throughout. It really does take you through a fantasy land of Pride and everything else all in between. So guys, come check it out. Hang around because I'll be back to tell you guys more about this. What's happening, beautiful people? I'm Jabari Thomas here again at the Fairgrounds St. Pete. Why? Because they are celebrating Pride Month with different installments, immersive installments you guys can check out. We're going to show you some awesome things coming up. Stick around. What's happening, beautiful people? Happy Friday morning. We are here at Fairgrounds St. Pete again. Come with us down this road to a new immersive Pride exhibit. Let's go. See you on the other side.
After a successful inaugural year, the Pride Immersive Experience is back at Fairgrounds St. Pete.
Yeah, the art gallery has transformed to celebrate Pride Month. And this morning, our very own Jabari Thomas live at Fairgrounds St. Pete with that immersive experience. Look at him go.
Talk about immersion.
One way to, put that on a football field,
What's
right?
happening?
Have the team run out.
Let me tell you what. There's so much to do here. Check out this room, the Fountain of Youth. Awesome room. One of my favorite rooms. Fairgrounds St. Pete. They're doing something special this year. They're actually celebrating Pride by changing the different immersive experiences here. I'm going to put up this QR code, which is specifically for our guests on 10 Tampa Bay. And we have Liz here, CEO. This is fantastic.
Thank you so much. We're proud to bring back this room. We only had one installation last year. This year we have 4. This is the Fountain of Life, which is a reference to the myth of the Fountain of Youth being in Florida. And there are 53 different light pipes in this room, all created by our internal technology and art team.
And it's more than just an art exhibit or an immersive experience because there are storylines you can follow, scavenger hunts.
There are storylines, there are scavenger hunts, there's a whole mystery you can follow and solve if you want to. And the more you learn, the more you get into it, and the more you start to recognize all the symbols and all the wonderful things going on here at Fairgrounds St. Pete.
So many cool different things to check out here. All local artists, not local artists, but artists from all over. And they come together and they put together this immersive experience.
Yeah, so we have over 70 artists that we've partnered with here at Fairgrounds St. Pete so far. We're always adding to the list. And we're just glad to be celebrating Pride this month. It'll be up through June 30th. So get your tickets at fairgrounds.art and make it here before it comes down.
All right, it sounds good. It's Fairgrounds St. Pete. Oh, just take a look up. I want you guys to see how far up this thing goes. How awesome is this room? They have many more rooms like this. The Lampscape, Shrimpify, or Shrimp Infinity.
Shrimpfinity.
No, the Shrimpify, my goodness.
That's a new
It's
one.
still here.
That's what we just created.
We're going to shrimpify some stuff up. No, it's Shrimpfinity. So much to check out here, guys. So come see them over here at Fairgrounds St. Pete.